Hey, Teo here. Today we're unboxing the newest Casabrews all-in-one machine. It's called Casabrews Marenza. So I just got this from Casabrews, and let's go ahead and open this and see what comes in the box. Simply, I'm gonna go over the whole machine with you guys on this video. At my next video, I'm gonna go ahead and pull some shots with this, see what kind of results we're gonna get. And this is the shipping box. We got box in the box. All right, here's the box. There's a heft to it, so I can tell from the box it's gonna be a nice one. So let's go ahead and get this unpacked. Right off the bat, we get these user manuals. As usual, I recommend you guys to read this cover to cover. What else we have in here? There's another internal box. I think these are the goodies, comes with the machine. Okay, here we go. Oh, I love it. Wow, it comes with pretty much everything, and I love this little diagram, tells you where's what. Simply portafilter, tamper, bean container, dose funnel, cleaning brush, double filter, single filter, blind filter, and cleaning needle. Perfect. Check this out, you guys. We got the very nice plastic handle, looks like stainless steel. Wow. Stainless steel portafilter. There's a single shot, single wall basket in there. It's not your usual made of aluminum portafilter. Looks like a shiny stainless steel stuff. No plastic inserts like some other brands. Here's that cute little cleaning needle, basically to open the Steamwand tip. Oh, check this out. I thought this was plastic based on the photos. It's actually a stainless steel tip tamper. Still plastic handled, but the tamping part is made of stainless steel, and it's not removable. Here's the dosing funnel and the cleaning brush together. Very nice. You don't need to buy an extra one for this. Very cool. And here's another basket. This appears to be a single wall double shot basket. And here's our blank basket. This is great for back flushing, and it says on it already. And here's our hopper, kind of a slim hopper, and there are 30 settings on it from fine to coarse. And here's the lid, and inside you have information about the hopper, a bean deflector. All right, I don't see any airtight mechanism here like some other brands do, but that's okay if you're gonna do single dosing. Bellows attachment, so you don't have to buy an extra one. So simply put the bellows attachment right up top like this. Here it is. Wow, I love these kind of details. I think it's important. Okay, here's the machine itself. Burr grinder right on top. It's a conical burr, just like other all-in-ones we reviewed on the channel. Has this twist mechanism to get the stainless steel burrs exposed. All right, let's go ahead and check out the water reservoir. Always use filtered water with these machines, you guys. Don't ever use tap water. Here's a nice cup warmer on top, fairly big drip tray. This is stainless steel. Drip tray is plastic. This machine has a 3-way solenoid. Here's the cord. It's about 3 feet long. Has a 58mm group head with 3-ear portafilter. When you lock it, it basically moves to the right like this. So it doesn't lock like this, it locks to the far right. Okay, here's my walnut handle bottomless portafilter. Let's see if it's gonna fit. I'm gonna go ahead and put the machine down like this so I can go ahead and show you guys. Okay, fits perfect, no problem whatsoever. Okay, let's go ahead and check the shower screen and what's underneath. It has a single Phillips screw, and it's not protruding, so it's flush. So you're not gonna have that screw mark on your puck or your puck screen. So that's a good thing. Looks like a shower screen is stainless steel so far. Okay, here's the shower screen. And guess what? It comes with metal group head right there, which is awesome. I'm already loving this machine. No plastic mess in there. So if you don't want to contaminate your coffee with nanoplastics, you got your metal group head on this little guy, which is perfect. Let's go ahead and put this back. And I also do see some sort of a silicone gasket, similar to Gadget. All in all, this group head is very nice. So far, I'm very impressed. I'll go ahead and tighten this up. The one cool thing about this machine comparing to other all-in-ones sold on Amazon and elsewhere, you can do back flushing on this, because as you know, it's very critical to keep your machine's internals clean and coffee grounds free. Steamwand appears to be fairly nice. The movement is not limited, and it has this large silicone covered handle on it, which is really cool, so you're not going to burn yourself. Let's look at the tip. Has a nice little silicone gasket on it. It's a single hole Steamwand. Let's go ahead and see how the portafilter fits into the grinder section. Super easy. You guys, this is awesome. It has this covered area. That means when the coffee grounds coming down, they're not going to spread all around your coffee station. Let's go ahead and check to see if it's going to work with the aftermarket bottomless portafilter. No problem whatsoever. I'm going to remove this plastic protection. Here we go. Here's the on-off button right at the bottom. Turn it on. It tells me add water right down here. Clearly we don't have any water in it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the tray back in. Okay, so there are two holes, one of them short, one of them long, right up here. So, and then there's also a sticking out part that's gonna come right at this empty spot. So let's go ahead and put it on. Okay, perfect. Our hopper is in place. Let's go ahead and put our bellow attachment and the lid. Oh, this is perfect. Run about 1/2 pound of beans through the grinder just to season the burrs. It'll be a good start if you do something like that. You can even go like 1 pound if you want, 1/2 pound to 1 pound, depending upon the what kind of beans you have. Before we use this thing, we're gonna wash all this stuff, including your water reservoir, this hopper, and dry it, air dry it. And if you have a microfiber towel, try to wipe inside out. So far, I'm very impressed with the build quality. Quality of the accessories comes with the box. They even add a blind filter for back flushing, which is perfect. They did not include any pressurized baskets, which makes sense. The machine comes with a grinder. What's the point of pressurized baskets? Of course, there's a funnel. You can use it like this to do your puck prep. Let me see if you can even put it under the grinder. Oh yeah, it even fits under the grinder. With the dosing funnel, even less mess, which is awesome. I love it. One of the things I don't like about all-in-one machines, a lot of mess comes out of the grinder, especially when you do this pumping movement with bellows. You get coffee grounds everywhere. So this little funnel, it's gonna prevent that. Look at this, it fits perfect, no gap, nothing there. And of course, this tamper with the plastic handle, at least the bottom is stainless steel, still on the little light side, but believe me, this 58mm temper will get the job done. I don't have any issues with it. I like this touch that they have here with the brush. I wish brush had some sort of a pump at the bottom, but that's okay. It's on the hard side, which makes sense to clean the grinder. And of course, we have this cute little Steamwand tip opening needle. The machine comes with 3 different temperature settings, so you can use it for different type of beans. You know, the light roast, the medium roast, or dark roast. Also, there's a pressure indicator, shows you how much pressure you're getting while you're pulling a shot. I think it's excellent. All these features you see in the high-end machines, but this Marenza here, it's an incredible steal for all the goodies comes with this compact machine. I love it. Machine also comes with a thermal block and a PID for your temperature control. which is incredible. I like the whole design, stainless steel with nice chrome accents. The best part is comes with the 3-way solenoid, pressure control, PID, 20-bar Italian pump, very nice grinder with 30 settings, as well as this accessories. I think it's a great machine. So if you're interested in this, go ahead and check it out. If you find this video interesting, go ahead and like and share. And if you're interested in this machine, I'm gonna have it listed in my store, as well as I'll have the links at the description of this video for you. If you order through those links, you'll be supporting my channel at no extra cost to you. Those are all affiliate links. I just want to let you know. So thank you. If you haven't joined the crew yet, go ahead and subscribe. At the next video, we're gonna go ahead and pull a shot and put this machine at work. If you haven't joined the crew yet, go ahead and subscribe. At the next video, I'm gonna pull some shots and see what this machine is all about. So keep an eye on the channel. I'll see you on the next tail steak video. Have a delicious day.